That's nicely played. Very good connection. Teases on. And they settle for two. That's good fielding. Sliced away. Just in front of square, and that's screamed for a boundary. They need that.
Slightly over pitch. That's what this was. A little bit of a half volley. You can tell early on that Niaz likes the ball up, wants to slice it away. Look at his grip. Look how his bottom hand and the blade is open, and he wants to slice it away.
Played 8 T20 internationals for Belgium. Big shot. He's showing it. It'll go to the boundary. Yes, it does. 3 men after it, and none of them were quick enough to catch up with the ball.
A bit of width. He definitely took advantage of that. Gave him the opportunity to free the arms. In the air. Put him down. Opportunity. Difference between tonight's game and last night is the fact that they're in the top 4 already. This is a fight for first place, but whether they lose tonight or not, no real consequence in terms of going forward and win quickly. Oh, that's short. There's a fielder on the boundary. He's not going to get it.
Yeah, that was a half tracker. Had to be hit, had to be put away. And Burhan Niaz is a strong man, and he's put everything behind that. That cleared the boundary by a good... Again, same result. In fact, this is even bigger. Probably one of the...
Yeah, that Osaka tonic board, Sikandar, might be getting a bit interesting. This is a good hit. Kept his eye on the ball, very still. Clears long on with ease. Now, good finish to that over, and that's a very good over. 15 from it.
Well, he goes straight, and once again, he goes long enough. All of a sudden now, Niaz has decided, forget ones and twos, do it in sixes.
And it was quite a short delivery. With the horizontal bat, he played it really well. Created a lot of power. And the area he chose was really good, straight down the ground.
Yes, keep going. Yeah, now he's in. Just remember how the great Chris Gale would do it. Have a look, leave it till as late as possible, and then win the game.
Brilliant, even better this time. It was full. Great swing of the bat. Just look at that. And it's so good to see Hasib and Burhan now having that communication, that understanding in the middle.
Oh, that could be close, you know. That could be close, yeah, I thought so.
Burhan Niaz was looking really comfortable against the spinners. Seamer was brought in. Aftab Ahmed tried to use the crease right in front of the stumps. Missed it completely. He wanted to work it on the square. Hit it straight in front of the wickets. Burhan Niaz gone for 47, Mardan 70 for 3.